Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the chapter The Glimpses of India, Part 3, which is Tea from Assam, and this is the third part of the chapter. Yesterday we did with the reading along with the explanation of the chapter, complete chapter, and we discussed the new words, introduction part. So let us, before we start with the meeting, before we start with doing the textbook question answers and exercises, let us discuss the summary, the brief summary once again. There is no need to write the summary, it is only for your understanding of the chapter. The story revolves around the infamous beverage, tea, telling us more about its history and discovery. So the story is all about tea and tea plantations. It begins from the scene where two friends, Pranjol and Rajveer, they all are set to go to Assam. Pranjol's hometown is there in Assam, and Rajveer, his friend from Delhi, is going along with him. And they are going in a train. So while going in a train, a tree vendor asks them, he enters the compartment and then he asks if they would like to have some freshly made tea. They buy 2 cups, joining almost every other person in the compartment. So everyone was having tea and they joined them also buying 2 cups of tea. Now from there, the journey begins and Pranjal starts reading his detective book while Rajveer decides to enjoy the scenic beauty. There were soft green paddy fields followed by tea bushes. So out of the train, out of the window of the compartment, while they was looking outside, Pranjal was not busy, was completely busy in reading a detective book, and Rajveer also likes to read a detective book, but this time he wants to enjoy the scenic beauty outside. There were soft green paddy fields followed by tea bushes, and Rajveer is excited on seeing the large plantations of tea because he has seen it for the first time. Pranjal is unable to match the same level. Why? Because he was born and brought up in Assam only, and famously, which is known as a tea country. Visiting there for the first time, Rajveer did a lot of study about how the tea was discovered. So Rajveer was very curious in nature. If it comes in character sketch, that what the character it tells about Rajveer from the story Tea from Assam, how would you derive? That Rajveer was a person, was a child. Being a child, he was very curious. But before he visit to a place, he gains the knowledge of that. That can we can realize it by through the chapter, while before he was aware that during the summer vacations he will be going to his friend in Assam, but before going that he was very keen to know about the tea and the tea plantation. So he had learned it, he started reading books on it, any of the information available on the tea. So this is what, so visiting he did a lot of study on tea, that tea was discovered and it dates back to 2700 BC. According to what he read, what he was reading out of the legends, out of the books, it was said that it was first consumed in China and reached Europe in 16th century, where it was mostly popular for its medicinal properties. Then after that, there are numerous stories. There are plenty of stories as to how it was discovered and how it went to that once upon there was a Chinese emperor and other Buddhist monk. So the story is about that the former liked the taste of it, the Chinese emperor liked the taste of it, while the latter used it to get rid of sleep. As they were having the discussion, they reached their destination. While doing the discussion about the legends about the tea, they reached their destination, which is the Pranjal's parents. They had come to receive them and take them to the tea garden. Now on their way they passed a little cattle bridge. Then after that gave way to a truck which was filled with tea leaves, which drew their attention to the fact that it was the second sprouting season. Rajveer indeed did a lot of study before coming, which impressed Pranjal's father and he intended to learn a lot more. He intended means he over here means Rajveer. That Rajveer, Pranjal's father asked him that you had done a lot of homework. To which he replied that he intended, he wanted to learn some more things. He is surely about it, very sure. Now we have done with this. Now coming up to the question, which is thinking about the language, we will be discussing these, and then as such there are no textbook question answers which you are supposed to write, so we'll write the worksheet then. But these answers to be written either in the book or you can keep the file saved, which I'll be sharing it with you. Okay. Now thinking about the language, look at these words: upkeep, downpour, undergo, drop out, walk in. Now they are built from a verb, and the verb is keep, pour, go, drop, walk, and an adverb which is up, down, under, out, in. Now use these words appropriately in sentence below. You may consult a dictionary. A heavy dash has been forecast due to pressure in the Bay of Bengal. So a heavy downpour. Rakesh will dash major surgery tomorrow. Rakesh will undergo major surgery tomorrow. Then we have my brother is responsible for the dash of our family property, for the upkeep of our family property. The dash rate of this accountancy course is very high. The dropout rate. She went to enterprise company to attend a dash interview, to attend a walk-in interview. The next question. Now fill in the blanks in the sentences combining the verb given in the brackets with one of the words from the box as appropriate. So you need to pick out anyone which is appropriate from here. The army attempted unsuccessfully to dash the government, to throw. So you need to use these words by using the adverbs over there. So they are overthrow the government. Scientists are on the brink of a major break in cancer research. Breakthrough in cancer research. The state government plans to build a dash for Bhubaneswar to speed up the traffic on the main highway pass. So bypass. So they want to build a bypass. Then Gautama's dash, look. So look, it can be on life changed when he realized the world is full of sorry. Outlook. Rakesh seemed unusually downcast after the game. And then we have, you need to think of suitable ing or ed adjectives to answer the following questions. The question is a good detective serial or a television. So it is interesting. A debate on your favorite topic. Homework should be banned. It is exciting. Then we have how you feel when you open a present. We feel exciting, right? Or how you feel when you open a present. Again, you can feel very surprisingly excited. Then how you feel when you watch your favorite program on television. Interested. How you feel when you stay indoors due to incessant rain. We feel bored. The look on your mother's face as you waited in a queue. What is the look? Tired. How you feel when tracking in a tiger reserve forest? Thrilled. The story you have recently read or a film you have seen, that is, it can be boring or it can be very interesting. It can be thrilling, right? Any of the way. Now this is the worksheet that you need to do. You need to read the extract, and on the basis of that you need to give the question answers, right? This is the first part, and the other part is these are the 3 questions which you need to write the answer in about 30 to 40 words, and this should be submitted to me on or before Sunday.